Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been going for literally forever and I'm so sorry about that. I don't even have a good excuse. I'm just happy to be making videos again and I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you do, just stay tuned, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and just comment down below if you have any good video suggestions for me moving forward, because I always need new content ideas. Thank you guys. So even though the frame of me doing her brows is all just out of whack, I've been using the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit lately. I've transitioned from the Precisely My Brow over to the Goof Proof brow pencil, and I really have been loving it. The color that I use is 4.5. Here I am using a NYX base. It's like a kind of like a royal purple base. Even though I'm doing a blue smoky eye, I really needed some color to lay down to really make that blue color pop. So one of the palettes that I used for the eyes was the Juvia's Place, the Magic Mini palette. I used the transition colors. Well, I use these as transition colors. I don't know if it's pronounced Nana or Nana. I don't know. I'm saying Nana because it just flows off the tongue better for me. And the other more orange color is Ikea. And I'm just blending that into her crease just to create some definition before I place down the more deeper colors. So for the blues that I used, this is just the older MAC palette that I kind of made up myself probably like over a few years ago, and I've had these colors for a while. But the colors, the deeper blue is called Deep Truth, and then the lighter blue that I'm going to add in the center just for a bit of contrast is Freshwater, and they're both from MAC Cosmetics. So I'm just kind of diffusing out the edges of that blue with the same brush that I used to create the definition and transition shades in her crease. I didn't add any more color to the brush. I'm just diffusing out the edges to really give it that smoky effect. So for her skin, I did prep it off camera. I moisturized it with the Keihls Ultra Facial Cream and just like skin illuminators to kind of give it that glowy feel. And then I put down the Truly Topaz foundation, the cream stick by Black Opal, which is like tried and true. It's my favorite. I really do want to branch out and use a different brand on my clients these days, but I always go back and forth because I'm just like, Black Opal has never failed me, so I'm always sticking with it. So I just kind of went around like the edges of her hairline with that flat foundation brush because you know, us as women, when we got the lace front on, like the makeup gets all in the lace front. So you got to be very precise with the tools and how you are applying the makeup, because you don't want to mess up your lace. For concealer, I just mixed the dark 38, excuse me, and dark 40. No, it's medium 38 and dark 40. I'm all over the place, y'all. Forgive me. I haven't had my coffee today. By ColourPop, the no filter concealer, which is legit my favorite concealer. What the hell is concealer? Concealer by far. I really do love the way this photographs. It is so beautiful. I can't take it. But I am highlighting her face with those two shades. I kind of just used the dark 40 as like a low light, and then topped it with the medium 38 to really bring out the highlights in her face. I did contour her with another cream stick foundation by Black Opal, but I really didn't like the color. If I could do it over again, I would do something that had a little bit more warm tones in it, because I feel like this was too much of a cool tone, and it looked a little, it didn't look muddy, but it just didn't give me what I was looking for, if that makes any sense. So I just really love how this look turned out. I really do. Because I was like really skeptical about what I was going to do, because I'm like, oh my goodness, she has this bright red hair, and I just didn't know what to do. So I was like, I had to keep it fun. I didn't want it to be too natural where it just did not complement the red hair, and it just was too understated. So I really just love like the blue. I feel like blue, purples, and greens are like really beautiful colors on brown eyes. I don't know. Comment down below if you agree. So I kept things pretty neutral for the lips. I lined them off camera with the ColourPop Crtl liner, which I love their lip liners. They're so soft. They go on the lips so easy. And I'll use the lip color by MAC. It's called Faux, F-A-U-X. And I just topped it with the Kiko 3D Clear Gloss, which has just been bomb lately. So glad I added it to my kit because it just makes everybody's lips look so va-va-voom. And that, my friends, is the final look. I just love how this came out. I thank you guys so much for your patience with me and returning back to my channel. If you are watching, I hope that you stay tuned because I am definitely going to be dropping some more videos soon. So again, like, comment down below, and please subscribe. And I hope you guys just have a wonderful day, night, whenever you're watching this video. Thank you guys. Mwah.